this year, I'm forcing my family to totally immerse themselves in food from another country every single month for the whole year. Hi, I'm Jenny from the Ginger Whisk, and I'm a foodie. I'm also a mom of 3 girls who all have their own sports schedules and wife to a husband who works a lot. When I say that our schedule is busy, I mean it. I long to travel the world and explore all the food that is available to us, but at this moment in reality, it's just not possible for us. But what I can do is immerse my family in edible adventures right in our own home. So each month we are dedicating to trying as many foods from another place as we can. I won't always get it right. I won't always be able to make it totally authentic, but I am committed to helping my kids explore as many different foods as they can to help them learn about new cultures, expand their palates, and learn what an amazing world of food we really live in, and how to help them be excited about trying new foods. Why don't you come explore with us? The first resource we're going to use for our year-long culinary journey is this World Tracker food worksheet. This is available in my Etsy shop, Feeding a Foodie Family, and I will link that below. But basically, this is going to walk you through everything you need to do to start introducing new foods to your kids and your family. So it's got a coloring sheet that we're going to color in every time we try a new place. So we're going to list out the resources that we're going to use. I really like to use a wide variety of different things. I love adding different books into our reading because it really brings in a lot of inspiration. So we're going to try lots of different books that we will be using, these books, and then a lot of fiction picture books as well. And then playing games is always a fun way, so we're going to make sure that we go to a grocery store hunt and we're going to find down all different kinds of foods that we can hunt down from our specific location to see if we can try to find them. Then once I filled this out and I know what books we're going to be using, and I've got recipes picked out from cookbooks and really great resource food blogs, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my meal planning book and I'm going to make sure that I add what meals we're going to be using into our book. So sometimes we'll be able to use recipes for a weeknight dinner. Sometimes we're going to be enjoying them on the weekends if something takes longer, or sometimes we're going to add something in as a snack. We're not going to make all food every day brand new, but we're going to add it in as our schedule allows. So there you have it. There's the basic overview of how we're going to explore new food from around the world every single month this year. And make sure that you like and subscribe so you can explore the world of food right along with us.